right, everyone. We're out here at Oak Cliff Nature Preserve, out here in Dallas, South Dallas area. Area is sketch, but the trail is fun. We're riding with Andrew today again. You guys remember back from the North Shore video. He's got a hard stop, so we're trying to make it quick. Brakes work. Oh, I got my tires good now. Jesus Christ. Yo, chill out, Dominic Toretto. God dang roundabout. Yeah, that is a weird place to put a jump. Whew. Last week was my first ride in like a month as well, because I've been out of town. And yeah, same thing. My ass was like, yeah, let me go to Sansom for my first ride back. See this? Oh, fuck. Oh. Better? This trail is very similar to Sansom with the rockiness.
Okay, so I think we need to.
Yeah, we got kind of lost around here last time, right? Hey, y'all.
Well, what I'm trying to avoid is up ahead is where that everything leaks on itself.
Yep. Oh, it's like the main, yeah.
Yeah.
The kidney or the heart or whatever.
I'm trying to skip the first loop, or the second one technically.
Here's one.
This is one still. Just a little choky down into choky up.
You're good. You're good. All good. All good. So we're skipping loop 1. We're going over to 2.
We're skipping.
Wait, was that all loop 1? What the hell?
Loop 1 goes all the way back to the parking lot, and then the colored loops come off of it. It's
Okay.
like orange, yellow, red, purple, blue.
Okay.
And we're skipping either orange or yellow, whichever one's first.
Okay.
So I think we keep going loop 1 for now.
Okay, cool. Okay. Oh. Damn it. I was not ready for that.
That little section is fun. Aside from hitting yourself in the neck.
Yeah.
So we skip loop 2.
Okay, so that's the yellow one.
And then loop 3. Loop 2 comes back right here.
Important to note here, the loop colors aren't an indication of difficulty. They're just colored by, that's like kind of how they label them.
Yeah, pretty much.
You'll see yellow and orange and you might get confused, but. Which one's the one with all the jumps?
4.
Yeah. So loop 4, the red one, is the one that has all the jumps and probably the most technical one here. There's actually gaps and stuff on that one, so you gotta be careful. This is one of the only trails in DFW that is open, rain or shine.
Yeah.
That's why it's pretty popular whenever all the other trails are closed. And you would think it'd be in much worse shape with it being open in the rain, but actually it's not that bad. And it's managed by the Dallas Off-Road Biking Association. Same people that do Horseshoe and North Shore. So shout out to them for maintaining this trail. Oh, I think I remember this, yep. Yep. I remember this from last time. Oh, we're good. Oh, there we go.
That truck had a bypass.
Yeah.
It just adds like, I don't know, 0.3 miles.
Yeah. Andrew took the harder line, I took the easier one. Say the right for the easier one. Or bypass it all together. You just had to show out. Yeah. Did you show your wife the North Shore video?
I can't remember.
She probably doesn't care. She's like, I'm pregnant. That's nice, honey. We're doing a bonfire at Tristan's shop.
Oh, yeah?
But I guess you're busy tonight, so. And I also let you know hella late, so.
Yeah.
We're a very like make plans day of type of group, so.
Yeah.
That's the problem. Nice flow though on this trail. All right, back down and back up again.
Yeah. I'm in.
You're good, brother.
Oh. Yeah, this is the bypass for that big downhill.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
That bypass cuts off a significant amount of trail, actually.
Yeah,
Nice flow through here, baby. Oh shit. Narrow ass tree gate.
The worst part.
Climbing back out, yep. What goes down must come up.
The flowy downhill.
Yeah.
And then a slog back.
No kidding. That's exactly what Sansom is, dude.
Yeah.
Those climb ups are brutal.
These aren't bad, they're just long, low grade.
Yeah. It's the sustained climbing that sucks, dude.
Climb right here that I'm not gonna make. Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's a quality guy, dude.
Yeah.
I should have known. Your abs? Oh, your calves. You gotta do them calf raises, son. Oh shit. Oh, Rudy. So we're heading to the blue one now, Andrew? Are we heading to the blue trail now? Okay.
Loop 4 is that way.
Okay, so loop 4 is the one that jumps and shit.
It's got a straight jump line and a really cool downhill jump section.
Yeah. We'll have to show everyone that next time.
Yeah, I don't really feel like sectioning stuff today.
Yeah, I don't know why I want to risk it with my shoulder surgery on Wednesday.
This.
Oh.
That bypasses 4. And then,
Oh, here we go. Okay.
yeah, we're gonna go this way, but we're gonna skip 5 and do 6.
Okay, 10-4. I didn't get to do 6 last time, so I'm curious.
So,
That's 5. We'll skip that. Five was just a lot of like uphill, right? 5 was a lot of climbing, right?
yeah, it'd be like,
It gets flowy and then it's just a lot of climbing, I think. All right, here we go, loop 6. Here we go, loop 6. Oh, little dragon skinny. Oh, man. Came in there all kinds of wonky.
why is it so hard?
Oh man, fuck. Bro, I'm telling you, taking a few weeks off, really
Get you.
yeah. All right, heart rate's back down a little bit.
stuff's way more fun than purple.
The old sustained climbing purple, yeah.
Oh boy.
Fuck.
That time to let me go in front. Okay.
I didn't know this was coming, to be fair. Go ahead. Need a break? You get it? Oh yeah. Oh fuck. That got real interesting there for a second.
Yep, it's this way.
Yeah, it looks like it. Just down, back up, and down again. A lot of bridge building out here.
Yeah. Cool.
Just switchback galore. That's the DORBA trail thing, I guess.
Fucking Rudy Fine thing, man. You love it. That's where you're sitting.
Oh yeah, there you go. You're right.
This right here is where 5 ends.
Okay. Yep, back on the loop 1.
Here is flat.
And this just goes back out to the parking lot, so.
Yeah. Pretty much flat like this the whole time.
Yep. So loop 1 is like the main artery on this trail. And then you got all the other loops that loop off of it, so. I'd say if you get lost, as long as you find a way back to loop 1, you're good.
Yep. And every other loop goes back to and comes back to loop 1.
Yep.
So, it's pretty hard to get lost.
Yep.
This is
Thanks, guys. Woo! That was funny. Good thing I wasn't leading. I would have crashed into half those people.
I almost did. Fuck, dude.
Good thing we weren't on e-bikes. Some dude was on the Facebook page like saying that he got yelled at North Shore. And they were like asking to see his license for the e-bike. Apparently, DORBA might be giving out, I don't know.
You're supposed to have like a permit
That's crazy, I didn't know that.
for any motor assisted vehicles.
Is it from the Army Corps of Engineers?
Yeah.
Wow. There's a lot of e-bikers out there, so.
As long as they're not like flying at 30 miles an hour.
Well, they're supposed to be limited to 20, but I guess if you're going downhill,
Yeah.
you can exceed that. Dude, what a perfect day to ride. Excuse us. Thank you. Dude, when I first started, I never imagined myself ever passing anybody. And when people would pass me, I would be like, dude, what a machine. Small wins. .8 miles, almost to the end. Hey, what's the total distance if you ride all the loops? What's the total distance if you ride all the loops?
I think it's like 10 miles.
10? Okay.
12 maybe.
I'm just
My
curious.
normal loop is like 8.
Okay.
And that's all of loop 1, loop 2, 3, 4, and then skip 5, and normally skip 6, or normally coast. So with 5 inches, it's probably 10 miles.
Dude, this ride back's longer than I remember.
Yeah.
It's all good. This way, right? Or that way? I don't remember.
That just comes out right here.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
You skip that. 120th of a mile. That's the one downside. You get lost on route 1 pretty easy.
Yeah, no kidding, dude.
Because everything crosses over each other.
Okay, we're close to the end now in that apartment complex.
Yeah.
Here it is. Yep. That's all she wrote, folks.
You just kind of like end up in the parking lot.
All right, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little ride. We did about a 31-minute ride. We rode most of loop 1, we rode loop 2, loop 3, and I think loop 6. So we didn't ride 4 and 5. 4 is the one with the jumps. 5 is a little bit more just climbing that we didn't feel like doing today because we were on a little bit of a time crunch. So that was 1, 2, 3, and 6. So again, guys, I think the total trail, if you rode all the loops, is like 10-ish miles. I think we did about 4.2 miles today in those, I guess it would be 4 loops. So about a mile each on those loops. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Quick little ride. Another trail checked off the list for the YouTubes. Oak Cliff Nature Preserve here in South Dallas. It's the only trail in DFW that's open no matter what. So whenever it rains, all the other trails are closed. Maybe come check this one out if it's not too muddy and you're not scared to get dirty. So anyways, again, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.